Well, this is supposed to be the new center console for the GMC Sierra. Let's go out there and take a peek at it. Showed up in this box here. It smells like fire out here. Is this the one we want? Looks like the one. Alright, so you got to take the bottom plate off and then kind of pry the plastic and stuff out of there. You got to do that with a new one too, and then you're left over with this bracket, and then you got to transfer. I broke these off of there being clumsy. But then you got to transfer this plate over to these 4 holes and then put your bottom back on. So I'm going to do that real quick. Well, it's done. But I definitely got a little aggressive with that bottom tray when I pulled this bottom tray off of here to transfer the lid over to the bracket. I didn't realize I snapped that little tooth off right there on this assembly. This is the one that was in the truck, and I snapped it off. So that's garbage. I had to take the old one off. There's a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt here, and then there's 2 more bolts right up under here in the end of it. I had to transfer this centerpiece over, and then see it's still, you got to really slam it to get it to stay there. So anyway, it closes. Probably just need to clean that up some. But that's that. That's the center console install. And I'll get all that goo and stuff cleared off of there, and I'll give you guys a part number and stuff for it. When you take the bottom tray off here, you got to take the screws out all the way around, and then you'll push your button, you'll get it to clear that, and you'll take the top off this way, and then when you put it back in, you'll put it back in with the bottom side down first, and then pull your top in. Make sure you press your button so you don't snap that tab, and then put all your screws all the way around. That's basically how you transfer everything on this. That's it. Out with the old, in with the new. We just stopped and got some goo gone. Some of this good stuff. Goo and sticker remover. And I removed all the sticker crap off of the console. But now it's fixed. We're good. After all these years of a busted up console and a bottom seat, all it took was $100. All it took was $100 and about 30 minutes worth of work, and it was like brand new. Short video today, guys. Sorry, we're going to be going all day to the little one's sports games, so I'm not going to be posting any videos or anything today. I'm going to be focusing on watching her. It's kind of exciting when you get to see the girls out there playing and stuff like that. So if you guys leave a bunch of questions and stuff for the rest of the day, I won't get back to you until later tonight. I need to focus on watching her and being involved in what's going on there. So just so you guys know, I apologize for the short video. I know you guys like longer videos on the weekend, but it is what it is. This was the center console install on the GMC Sierra that the old lady had that has been torn apart forever because somebody never replaced it. She didn't know it was available. And I keep teasing her saying, well, that's why you have a man now, right? Joking, joking, joking. You guys, any of the ladies that's watching this, don't get offended by it. Anyhow, and the little one was telling me, she says, I remember when I was a kid, I was sticking my feet in the cracks of the seat. And I said, you mean the seat's been broken that long? And she said, yeah, I remember putting my feet down in it. Well, it's new now. And here's the quick, easy video for you guys to repair it yourself. I see a lot of these coming into the dealership with the seats ripped open and the center consoles all screwed up in these. And then the other night I was talking to her dad, and he said he wanted me to do his seat as well. 13 Sierra that's ripped open. I guess it's a common thing with these. Y'all have a great day.